Good morning, children. Today we will talk about electric power. So, the definition of electric power is already known to you. We have discussed it yesterday. See, power, how do we define? Work done per unit time. Now, since here we are talking about electrical power, so here it is the work done by electrical energy. And since whatever electrical energy will be dissipated will get converted into work, so we can easily write it down as E upon T, which can also be equivalently written as the heat developed in a given time T. This we discussed yesterday also. Now we'll talk about the various formulas. See, for H, we derived three different expressions yesterday, if you remember. This was Joule's law. H is equals to I square R T. This was one of the expressions which we derived, and we also wrote it in different manner using Ohm's law. V is equals to IR, isn't it? So the different expressions which we got was, one was V square upon RT, and the next was V in place of what? What I have written now? I have used this Ohm's law. So what I have written here, I is equals to V upon R. So V square upon R square. One of the R will get cancelled out. Alright. And the third expression was VIT. This was the third expression. Alright. Now to get power, what I have to do is, I have to just simply divide it by T. That means for power, I will again get three expressions. I square R, V square upon R, and P is equals to VI. So these are the corresponding expressions for power consumed. Now we'll go in for the unit of power. What shall be the unit? From here only you can find out. Unit of work is joules, time is seconds, so it is joules per second, which is also known as watt and denoted by W. Denoted by W. And how can you define watt? It is the power consumed when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. A bigger unit of watt is also being used, that is kilowatt, and kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. Now we'll go in for, from this particular expression, commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy. Now the commercial unit of energy means the unit of energy which we use for commercial purposes, right, for business. So this we'll get from here only again. See, P, E here can be written as P into T. P, as I just said, is calculated in what? T in seconds. So you can write, this is also a unit of energy. But for commercial purposes, we don't use this unit. What we use a bigger unit. So for power, we use kilowatt, and time is taken in hours. So commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour, which is known as 1 unit. See, whenever you get an electricity bill, we always talk about how many units have been used in the given month, and the money which we give to the in the bill payment is according to units plus the minimum charges which which is taken as service charges so for a month or for 2 months at the same time. And the other part of the bill is that depending upon number of units, see one unit is costing say rupees 3 or 4 or 5 something like that, accordingly whatever electricity you have used in your home for domestic purposes, accordingly the bill will come. So the commercial unit of energy, I am again repeating, is kilowatt hour. You have to remember, see as you see kilowatt, the students get confused with that it is a unit of power, but when time is also written over here, take care that it is a unit of electrical energy. And if you want to convert it into joules, simply kilowatt into watts, hours into seconds, and this is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Alright. 1 unit of electricity is when 1 kilowatt power is used for 1 hour. So this is about electrical power, unit of electrical power, unit of energy, and commercial unit of energy. Thank you.